My name is Amir Prudensky. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Strada. And what that means is I'm in charge of all things go-to-market, product, talking to customers, and sometimes mopping the floors when I have to. Before I heard about how simple Deel makes things, it wasn't even in the discussion to be able to hire abroad. Frankly, just even knowing how long it would take to hire somebody in a different country scared us off of that completely. Deel is the one place you need to go to be able to bring on people to join your mission, to join your team anywhere around the world. And it's literally as easy as a click. So instead of, hiring legal counsel and bringing in other advisors, we no longer have to do that. That's probably saving us thousands of dollars for each employee. They take care of contracts, they take care of payments, and it starts with payroll, but really goes on to a lot more. Anything that has to do with your employees, Deel will take care of. If we're serving customers around the world, our people should be around the world. And it's obvious to see how Deel is going to take us up that path. There is no product without people.